Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can make upward to $800 in less than 4 hours just by simply delivering lost airport luggage. Guys, this industry has not been tapped in yet, and it has so much potential for you to literally start making money instantly. Great money. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on the jobs that's actually hiring for this positioning now and how you can turn your vehicle into a literally cash cow. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can turn your car to a cash cow. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcy, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items. Guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I'm super excited about this video because after doing some research on this industry, I realized how much potential that this industry can make for so many different consumers like yourself. Typically, the companies that I found only are requiring for you to be 18 years or older, have all of your driving history and driver situations perfect, like have a good driving record, have your driver's license, have insurance, things like that, simple stuff, and be 18 years of older, guys, like, and you can make so much money. So I found the article, a video of a guy that basically made $800 in less than 4 hours doing this, and he basically did it seamlessly, and I thought it was interesting. So I did my own due diligence and I found some companies that's actually hiring in this position. Now, the company that I believe that he was working for at the time is only registered in a certain location, and you're not able to use that company in every geographical location in the country. So what I did was I did some due diligence on some companies that are hiring in that position almost instantly. So let's dive straight in. So the first company we're going to talk about is called Senpex, right? Senpex is a company, like I said, they are hiring for driver couriers that basically ship airport goods. Now, the requirements that I've seen on their website is basically some generic information. Have to be 18 years of older. You do have to pass a background check, and you have to be 2 years experience with a driving history. So you have to have your license for at least 2 years, pass a background check. And for the payout, so I do realize that they do have a payout of $23 a flat fee plus tips. So there is a lot of upper mobility when it comes to making tips as well, and making 23 bucks an hour is okay, but this is one of the lower paying jobs that's on the list. Now, another job that's hiring is called Reliable Couriers, and they are requesting the same amount of requirements. They are requesting a valid driver's license, background check, and I do believe that this one is going to do a drug test as well. Now, one thing that I do want to add in for anyone that's considering working for these type of positions is that the payout is not going to be added to any type of gas expenses or maintenance for your vehicle. So if you do have a solid vehicle with low gas mileage, this type of job would be great for you. If you don't have a solid vehicle and you have a poo-put that always need work done, this job might not be for you because it is going to be a lot of wear and tear on the vehicle from driving from place to place. So take that into consideration. And like I said, they are not going to compensate the gas that you are going to lose out on while driving these parts. Now, I didn't see any specific payout on their website. I did do some research and I've seen that some people said that they have made between 35 to 42 bucks an hour doing that job plus tips. So like I said, I've seen that on some blogs. I haven't really seen that on their website, so take that as a grain of salt. The last but not least job is very interesting. Now they are requiring more than the other jobs, but they do have some very interesting payouts, and they have a lot of other opportunities for you to make added income as well. So the company is called GoShare, right? GoShare is a company, but they do not only tailor to delivering goods for lost airport luggages, they deliver goods for other things as well. So if you want to do or have opportunities to do other jobs as well, they do have that opportunity for you. Now they are asking for you to have a vehicle that's 2001 and older. They don't want any 1999 Grand Prix. They don't want anything like that. They want you to have a vehicle that's sustainable. They are asking for a background check. They are asking for you to have a checking account. So from what I've heard, the checking account is required because they are going to do all of your payout direct deposit, and they are asking for you to have a valid driver's license. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. They are asking for you to do other things as well, and you can find all of that information on the website. Now the payout is interesting because the payout on this particular job is basically paying you depending on the vehicle that you have. So the more larger the vehicle is, the higher the payout is. So from what they're saying on their website, the average car sedan is getting paid between $45 an hour, but if you have a pickup truck, that jumps up to 70 bucks an hour, and if you have a box truck, that can jump up to $168 an hour. So like I said, it is a lot of opportunity in these type of jobs, but it's really a hustle and bustle. Now when you can account for the tips and the hourly wages, like you can make a lot of money in your spare time. And what I like about it, like I said, is that it's so convenient for college students, stay-at-home moms that's at home while their kids is at work. Any type of person that has some spare time in the vehicle, sign up for one of these companies and make a couple $100s throughout the day while you waiting for your kids to get out of school. By the time your kids get out of school, you made $200-300 bucks, guys. That sounds like a good day to me. So it's really a hustle and bustle job, guys. Let me know in the comments, have you heard of these jobs? If you have, let us know your experience in the comments. I'm definitely interested on that. If you have any questions related to any of these type of jobs, also leave it in the comments. If you need any type of credit repair or anything like that, guys, again, go to creditapprove.com. It's the software that I created that allow you guys to fix your own credit, and you can do it at a cost-efficient process, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Leave it there. Until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.